In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a presentation via email in Google Slides. Whether you're finalizing a project or sharing an engaging slideshow with colleagues, emailing your presentation directly from Google Slides is a convenient option. So let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage, which displays all your existing presentations. If you're starting fresh, you can click on blank presentation to create a new slideshow, or you can browse the available templates to find something that fits your needs. Once your presentation is ready, or if you already have a prepared slideshow you'd like to send, it's time to go to the File menu. You can find this at the top left corner of the screen, right next to the Google Slides logo. Clicking on File will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, look for the Email option. This allows you to share your presentation via email directly from Google Slides. After selecting Email, you'll notice an option labeled Email this file. Click on this and a new window will pop up where you can set up your email. Here, you'll enter the recipient's email address in the designated field. If you want to add multiple recipients, simply separate their email addresses with a comma. It's also helpful to include a clear subject line such as presentation for upcoming meeting, so they know exactly what the email contains. Next, you'll see a text box labeled message. This is where you can type a brief message to accompany your presentation. A contextual note or a friendly greeting goes a long way towards personalizing your email. At this point, you'll also want to decide on the email's format. You have the choice to attach your presentation as a PDF, a plain text file, or include a link to the presentation itself. Each option has its pros and cons. For example, a PDF will ensure that your formatting remains intact, while sending a link will allow the recipient to view the presentation in Google Slides. Finally, once you've configured all these details to subject, message, and format, give everything a quick review to ensure accuracy. There's nothing more frustrating than an email sent with a typo in the recipient's address or an incomplete subject line. After your review and once you're satisfied with everything, click the Send button, and that's it. Sending a Google Slides presentation via email doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, you can effortlessly share your work with others. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.